thank you for watching my channel. I really appreciate your support, and I wanted to talk to you guys about the Anastasia and Amrezy highlight that everyone has been talking about, and I also wanted to make a video to see for myself how it feels, how it performs on my face, and if it's worth it. So, and I also got a few things from Anastasia's website, and I did get the brush. I'm going to be doing a comparison with the brush or a fan brush to see which one works better. So if you guys want to see what I have to say, want to see this unboxing, please keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to open this box. You know what? I don't even have scissors. You put it in a black tissue, and then here it is. So this is a limited edition highlighter. You open it up. Ooh, it's so pretty. This is cruelty free. This is so pretty. Yay, I'm so excited. And then, oh, so pretty. This is so pretty. Honestly, the pictures don't lie. This literally, it really is amazing. It literally looks like waves in this palette. It's not flat, it's wavy. It has like a very interesting texture. It's totally different than the other highlighters for sure. It's really, really pretty. You know, I thought it gave the illusion of waves, but it actually is actual waves because it's not flat. Oh, it's very cool. Okay. But before I actually put this highlighter on my face, I have another box that I ordered as well. This was actually, I got this a few months ago, actually a few weeks ago, probably last month. Anastasia had, looks like this, had a sale. I had to jump into that sale because I really, honestly, Anastasia right now is like one of my favorite brands because I think like their products, like their eyebrow products, their highlighters are amazing. And I ended up getting these single eyeshadows. I would normally not get these because they're a little bit more expensive. These retail for, I want to say, $12, but I got them on sale. And I got 4 of them because you got 4 for $20. So that was a steal. And then you got this little cute thing where you put the 4 eyeshadows. And of course, I had to get this. This is the Prim's Anastasia palette, eyeshadow palette. I will be doing a quick eyeshadow look using this palette. And then I got 2 of her matte lipsticks. Okay, so I did my other eye off camera and I just put in some fake lashes. These are the Lily lashes. I don't know, Goddess. I actually got these for Christmas. This is my first pair. And honestly, I do like them. I feel like I obviously need more practice. I've never really been good at eyelashes. So it's like takes me forever to do them if I were to show you guys. But anyways, let's try and go in with this. Wow, so pretty. Okay, I really like the way this feels. Whoa, I tapped on it and look at the back of it. I don't know if you can tell. I'm gonna have to clean, like, I have makeup everywhere. Okay, let's go in with it again. It's really pretty. Okay, honestly, I don't know if you guys can tell, I really like this highlighter because it's so subtle, which it sounds crazy because I'm sure if you keep, you know, adding, you get a blinding highlight. It's so pretty. Okay, now this, it's nice, I would say. Let me do this. Oh my gosh, I can't wait for summer, guys. This will be bomb in the summer. I'm gonna go in with my fan brush. It's still very pretty, actually. These type of brushes do work best. Cupid's bow. Nose. There's something about this highlight that it literally feels like it glows within you, within your body, like very healthy. Yeah, like it definitely, like, you can layer it up to make it more intense for sure. Guys, thank you so much for staying till the end. I really appreciate you guys tuning into my channel. I will see you guys next time. Bye.